Eh? How did we lose one? I think we should throw it in the back, just to be safe.
You ever wonder why there's a bank out here? Well, I think it's supposed to be like more of a vault, you know? Oh, that makes sense.
Freeze! Don't move! Oi, you. You're free to go. Not really, but you've got a package. Don't get your hopes up. We've already checked it for anything useful, haven't we, Dave?
What? Yeah, of course I checked it. I mean, if I didn't check it, I'd lose my job, and I don't want to lose my job.
See you around. Free to go. I thought that was pretty cool. Hey, he's escaping.
As the mayor, I hereby declare the Tunisian archaeological exhibit open.
Yes, thank you. Yes.
Yeah, so apparently there's something in that cake, and he used it to escape. And then I got fired. Pretty lame, huh? Yeah, I don't really like this.
Please, shut up.
Oh, I was just trying to have a conversation, you know, since, I mean... I gotta warn someone! Sir? You might want to come look at this. I'm getting chaos readings at 10.6. It's coming from the museum.
My god. It's over 9?
Yeah.
I'm leaving this decision up to you, Corporal. Just hit one of those buttons to deal with this pressing situation.
Who's watching TV? Get back to work! Well, sorry, Chief. I'm going back to work. Yeah, sorry.
Well, well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, and even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man.
Hey, how you want me to bring you in? I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think? Ah, yes. Let me have a look.
Go, I'll hold him off. Come on, then. Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy in a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious.
Whoa!
Hurry up now, activate the doors.
No, get away!
Now I've got you.
Help!
You defeated my right-hand man. You defeated me. I surrender the airship to you.
Good work, Henry. Now just get him to us. I'll get you to live back.
Hello, Henry. Welcome to the wall. Some of the most cunning and notorious criminals are kept here, and now we have the infamous Henry Stickman.
You're going to be here for a long time.
Grigori, take him.
You wait here until cell found.
Oh no. Warum ist die Pferd zu klein? Was? Nein! Wow! Wo ist er?
Sir, I got a message.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, it looks like Henry Stickman. Yeah, Henry Stickman has escaped.
You still there?
Attention! We have an escaped convict. He was last seen heading towards the surface. Do not make me do this myself. He's up there somewhere. We cannot let him get through this gate. Oh, nice art. Hey, you wanna trade up? I have to say, Henry, I'm impressed. Really, I am. You're the first person to escape the wall, but this is the end for you. You've got two options here, Henry. You stay in there, or you return with us back to the complex. What's it going to be, Henry? Well, that's just too bad. Alright, everyone back to work. I will not forget about this. This is coming out of your paycheck, all of you.
So the plan's going through even without the chief?
Yes, we have all the goods loaded up on the train.
Ugh. I don't want to be on caravan duty.
Oh, it's not so bad. You get to sit on the train and hang out.
Are we meant to protect all our stolen valuables? All the money? All that?
Oh yes, I suppose that's true. We have all of our money in one cart. I suppose that's pretty important to protect.
Well, guess we better get going. Ugh. Oi, watch where you're going, muppet.
Mr. Macbeth, passenger car 3 has been smashed by a tank. We're under attack.
He's on the top of the train. Looks like he's headed towards the money cart. I'll gun him down.
He got away. We can't follow through the tunnel.
Do I have to do everything myself? So you're the one causing all the trouble. I didn't expect to have to use this.
We can't get in.
Why don't we go at the back?
Oi!
Huh. This is pretty bad.
No luck, boss. We can't find it anywhere.
And forget it, come back. Takeoff's more important.